Well,
Maybe
yeah.
if I go to Benny's or something random.
It's a pretty respected business. I have never heard anybody say anything bad about Charlestown foods. You can get them, as you can see, I can bring caseloads across.
Yeah, they're delicious. The red trolley ale,
Red Trolley Ale. You like
especially delicious. Yeah, really good toffee flavor. It's funny though, because Liz honestly she doesn't really like
I really don't.
stout.
I don't like any beer, really.
Yeah, she doesn't really drink beer. But
So she's not going to drink that?
oh,
No, I
she
love
will.
it.
She
I
will.
actually really like it. I'm surprised.
It's pretty good. It's happy hour,
Yeah.
right? I don't know how much this would normally be, but Imperials usually run. Yeah, sure. Imperial, anything Imperial IPA or stout usually runs like $9 to $10.